Hey, what's going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to be installing the ink on the HP Officejet Pro 9135E. Now, if you haven't done this before, it can be a bit complicated, but once you do it for the first time and you understand what you need to do, it is a very simple process. Now, there will be product links down in the description below. For example, if you were having trouble printing for some reason, there's going to be a cleaning kit that I'm going to be attaching. I'll also be attaching a link for some remanufactured ink so you can save money on ink if you want to go that route. So this is the first ink cartridge we're going to be installing. This is the black ink, and basically what you want to do is you want to back it into the print head. And so the way I got the print head to the middle right there where it is I just flipped down the front of the printer. There's a flap that comes down, and then once that is down, the print head comes to the center. You can then begin installing various ink cartridges. Now moving on to installing yellow, then magenta, and then finally cyan. As you can see, it is simply flipping the cartridge in the direction where it needs to go in. There is a hole at the back, and there's also a microchip at the back of each cartridge. You're going to back that end into the print head, and you want to make sure the circle that has the specific color on it that's going to match what is on the print head is facing you and that you're able to see it. That's really all there is to it. You're going to want to push it in and make sure that you feel that it's locked in place. If you're able to pull it out for any reason, you have not installed it correctly. You're going to need to take it back out, push it back in, make sure you do one good push in, and then you're going to release, and that should lock it in place. So I really hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.